Check out this adorable go-go shift dress. Isn't it beautiful? And I love this vinyl strap around the waist. So cute. But check out the colors, the cut, and the print. Absolutely adorable. It's made of a great fabric. It has its vintage zipper. It's vintage, not new, vintage, not a fake vintage like we see everywhere nowadays, which never seems to cut the mustard in terms of fabric and print. You cannot beat vintage. And the greatest thing is that it's classic, never goes out of style. It's not like some trendy thing you're buying. You can keep it forever, and it only goes up in value. So I ship outside the US is $12 anywhere outside the US. So here's an adorable crisscross bikini bathing suit. I love this.